Hey folks, today is June the 12th. It's currently 9:10 in the morning. We're going to look at doing our Ranger EA week number 6 update review. If you recall, last week we earned 0.16%. And even though it's not as high as we've seen in the past from other EAs, that's definitely still profit. So we're going to take it and run with it. I have not checked this week. I know there were some updates that went out. We'll take a look at those. We'll also take a look inside of the room here as well. Haven't been keeping up and following along with what's going on in the room, but I'm sure we'll be able to find some interesting topics in there. All right, so for this week, we earned 0.70%. So we definitely did a lot better than what we did last week. So happy to see that. And as you can see here for the month of June, 0.86%. And let's see here. I believe we have, 2.5 weeks left to go in the month. So hopefully we can at least get up to 3 or 4% to close out the month of June. But just be patient. And honestly, guys, like I said, anything in the green is definitely better than seeing red. And I know a lot of people right now are going through a bit of drawdown with this EA. And like I said, we'll take a look inside of the Discord group momentarily and see what's going on with that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at my account in the VPS. And let me pull this up real quick so we can take a look at this week's news. We did not have a lot of news this week. As we can see here, no high impact news on Monday, none on Tuesday, nothing that really could affect us on Wednesday. On Thursday, we had core CPI and also unemployment claims. Both of those, depending on the numbers, can cause spikes in the market, and nothing really on Friday as well. So not a lot there. All right, give me 1 second, folks, and I'll pull up the VPS here. All right, as we can see here, we got our smiley face up there. So everything should be running the way it's meant to here. And then, of course, my FX book is reporting successfully. So let's go ahead and jump in now, take a look and see exactly what closed out this week. First day of the week was the 7th. Okay, so it looks like we took 5 trades. Or rather, excuse me, it looks like we closed out 5 trades. You can see here 6.9 we closed out 4, and 6.10 we closed out 1. So $4.96, $1.32, $6.31, $4.99, and $5.30. All right, let's come back over here to trades. So one good thing is that we have no trades open going into the weekend. So that's definitely a plus here. And I also wanted to take a look in the Ranger EA chat here. And this is somebody right here that's saying the Ranger has been active, but I've not had any new orders taken. And I know that he did put out an update. Everybody got emails about that, but the update was with, let me see here. I think he's switching over to where it's going to be 3 EAs and a $3,000 minimum to trade them. Sent an email request for the 3 EAs a couple of days ago. Can you please respond? I have not updated that yet. I was mainly trying to test the Ranger EA here, and one of the others, I think it was the Pinpoint EA. Actually, let's take a look at their website real quick. All right, as we can see here, this is Ranger, Redemption, and Pinpoint. So it looks like Ranger is no longer by itself. I wonder if the pricing has changed. Let's see what the price is for all 3 here. All right, so $4.97. And what's the price for the individual ones? Pinpoint EA right there. $3.97. Okay, so it is a little bit cheaper to buy them individually. If you buy everything, or if you buy all 3 together, you do get a discount there. So that's a good thing here. And as we can see, Pinpoint did have a pretty healthy dip right here. So that's one thing I was concerned about, but it looks like it's gotten back up to where it was previously. Okay, so it's actually gone beyond where it was previously. And we can come over here and take a look at the Ranger, Redemption, and Pinpoint EA. This includes all 3 EAs running 3 different strategies to minimize account exposure. Backtesting data shows no losing months in 18 years. Projected monthly profit 3 to 5%. Trades every week, 9 pairs. Recommended starting balance of just 3,000. Trades better than most humans. FIFO compliant. All right, so we might look at I'm guessing once I finish up the Ranger, and let's see where we are. I don't want to use that on the same account that we're doing this test on here, because this is only the Ranger. So if we take a look here, we're currently at Ranger EA week 5. So this is going to be week 6. So let me know in the comments, you want me to just go ahead and, I guess, end this now and start with the new 3 EA package? Or do you guys want me to let the Ranger EA by itself go into 8 weeks like I typically would, and then look at doing this one here, the Ranger Redemption and Pinpoint? Because like I said, everybody should have already been sent this one, and I checked my email and I have it as well. So at this point, it's just whether or not we want to continue testing the Ranger by itself. But let's go ahead and jump in here, and we can take a look. What's the drawdown so far? 0.45%. Deposit 50,000. It's a real account here. All right, so as we can see, May 0.52%, and so far for June, it's earned 0.43%. Okay, so this is one of those slow and steady wins the race type of situations, it looks like. So yeah, we're gonna have to definitely continue watching this over the next couple weeks. I think I will go ahead and just go 8 weeks with the Ranger, I think, because this it looks like it's profitable, but it's bringing in, like I said, smaller, most likely more consistent profits here with the risk spread out between those 3 different EAs. All right, so we'll continue to watch it. Hopefully this will continue to do well. Just based on what I'm seeing, I'm not sure if this one's going to do the 1% per week, but if you have a larger account balance to start with, or if you're able to get funded by one of these agencies out here, this might definitely be a way to go here. So like I said, we'll continue to watch it. All right, so as always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Ranger EA, you can send them my way, and I'll try to get those answered for you. If you have any questions, just like I said, let me know as always. And if you guys want to test it out for yourself, you can use the link below to help support the site. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you on the 19th for our next, that'll be week number 7, Ranger EA update review. All right, folks, have a great week. Take care.